In this video, let's listen to some animals' names and their homes. Dog. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Cow. Shed. A cow lives in a shed. Lion. Den. A lion lives in a den. Bear. Cave. A bear lives in a cave. Monkey. Tree. A monkey lives in a tree. Hen. Coop. A hen lives in a coop. Sparrow. Nest. A sparrow lives in a nest. Horse. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Honeybee. Beehive. A honeybee lives in a beehive. Anthill. An ant lives in an anthill. Spider. Web. A spider lives in a web. Rabbit. Burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Duck. Pond. A duck lives in a pond. Cat. Cattery. A cat lives in a cattery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos.